my wasabis! This is Jirbie, your certified aromatherapist, graduate of New York Institute of Aromatic Studies, and for today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own personal inhaler. Now, I know this is a basic thing to do, but someone slid in a message in my Instagram asking me how to create your own inhaler. She was asking about migraine essential oils that she can diffuse while around an infant, and I told her that it's not really recommended to diffuse anything when you have infants around, when you have small children around, because essential oils can be quite potent and it might do more harm than good if you expose your kids as young as that to essential oils. So I recommended for her to use inhalers instead. So this is something that's very personal. You know, one inhaler stick is just for you. It's very low risk to the people around you. So if you're interested to learn how to create your own inhalers, then please keep on watching. I love having my own inhaler. So I do have my own. I carry these in my purse, just to give the people around me, you know, the flexibility of not smelling my personal choice of essential oil. So I normally have 2 inhalers in my bag. They're in couchwasabi colors, of course. And this is something that's anti-stress, stress relieving. Normally I put in something floral here. And in this green one is for my rhinitis. So I put something minty here. It smells good. And these would last you a long time, like super, months na. These have been filled for months now, and should you wish to like switch up the scent, you can just discard the salts, wash off the glass component, and refill it with, again, Himalayan salt, and refill it with your choice of essential oils. Okay, so I have this inhaler. I like using these kinds because I don't really have to deal with plastic components. I know there are like these typical ones. Let me just show you. These are from my coffee tasting classes, wherein we tried to identify the scents, like different scent categories for flavor notes basically. So normally the inhalers would come like this. It's gone, no more scent. And I do notice that, oh, it smells good. This one smells nutty. Anyway, so normally our inhalers would come in this form. These are the usual, but I just don't like using plastic components. And so I've always veered away from those kinds of inhalers. I like using these. These are metal, aluminum body with glass components in it. So with this, I feel that the scent lasts longer. Number 2, it's easier for me to refill and switch should I want to. And 3, I feel that it's more earth-friendly this way, right? So you basically just throw out the salt, use it as your foot soak if you wish, and then replace it with salt if you wish to totally like change the scent in it or the essential oils in it, and then just use your new blend. But if you will be using the same old essential oil combination, you can just refill it from time to time. Okay, you can just wash it like maybe every quarter, but I haven't really washed this because I've been using the same set of oils. I did try to clear this out. This used to have more of that ilang-ilang smell, but now not so much. This is more of clary sage. Yeah. So my first run with this, I normally like florals with this. And then this one, I use something that's minty, and I keep this in my purse for my personal use. Now today, I will be teaching you how to make your own anti-rhinitis or anti-sniffles inhaler blend. Although the one that sent me a message was asking about migraine, okay? Because I have someone to give this to. So basically, you remove this. It comes with a cotton wick. I normally remove the wick and I fill it up with coarse Himalayan salt. Why coarse Himalayan salt? Because it's pretty. You know, it's pretty. You can use other coarse regular salt, but I just like using it because it's pretty. Okay, so an inhaler that's for your rhinitis, I would recommend to use peppermint. If it's not a child, you can totally use your peppermint. You can put in your spruces, you can put in your eucalyptus, you can put in your lemon. So we will be using these 3 from my range of Celaroma oils. Alright? So first is lemon. You just have to fill this up with 15 to 20 drops of essential oils. And it will last you a long, long time, believe me. So, oh, I love it. Let's put 3 drops of lemon. 1, 2, 3. And then some eucalyptus. Perhaps 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 8. And then we can add some peppermint. Peppermint is a popular choice for rhinitis because it's a good anti-inflammatory oil. It really works well with congestion. Also your eucalyptus. So I'll put in some, I would say 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, so 7 plus 3 plus 5, that's 15, and that's enough. Okay.
It smells so good.
It smells fresh. I can detect the lemon in there, and your minty oils are in there. So this is a good inhaler for rhinitis, very basic. If you are going to be using this for your child, switch up your peppermint and eucalyptus into spearmint. So you will be using spearmint, lemon. You can totally use chamomile if you have. What else can you use? Bergamot if you have. But since this is for an adult, that should be good. Now for your migraine, what inhaler can you use? You can totally use, again, spearmint, rosemary, peppermint, eucalyptus. Peppermint is a known oil also for migraines, for headaches. It has a good anti-pain and a good relieving effect for migraines, for your throbbing headaches. You can also use floral oils. If you are into floral oils, you can use chamomile. You can use lavender. You can use neroli, is a good choice. You can also use frankincense for your migraines. You can use elemi for your migraines. Basil is also a good oil for that. So those are the oils that you can use for your migraine. If you have any other questions about your essential oil troubles, don't forget to shoot them down below through the comments or slip me a DM on my Instagram. I'd love to create content for you, and especially for you. So I hope you've enjoyed today's inhaler recipe, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!